Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix Google Drive if it is not opening or not working on your Windows laptop. If you are experiencing loading errors, syncing problems, or the app will not start, we will walk you through each step to get it working again. Now let's get started. The first thing we need to check is your internet connection. Restart your internet modem. Try to connect using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi and reconnect to your modem or router. The next thing to do is to open your web browser and clear the cache and cookies. We need to go to your settings. Once you are in your settings, go to your browser settings. Then choose Privacy and Security and click Delete Browsing Data. Here, make sure to delete cookies and also delete cached images. This helps free up memory so Google Drive can load faster. With that done, let's move on to the next tip. Try using incognito mode, also called private mode. Open a private or incognito window in your browser and try loading Google Drive from there. Next, disable your browser extensions. If you have unused extensions, go ahead and disable them. Pay special attention to AD blockers and remove them. Ad blockers can interfere with and block files in Google Drive. Now let's update your browser. Go to your browser settings, then click on System. From there, you can update your browser by going to the About section and then install any available updates. If you are using Chrome, go to the Update section and make sure it is fully up to date. The last thing to try is to restart your computer. Close all your apps and restart your computer. Once it has restarted, check if you have fixed your Google Drive. Your Google Drive should now be working properly on your Windows laptop. With these simple steps, we can quickly resolve common issues and get back to accessing your files.